Hi guys, it's Miss Ann from the Amy Sanders Library, the Sherwood branch of the Central Arkansas Library System. I'm the team programmer here, and today I wanted to show you guys how to make your own sugar scrub. So the one we're going to make today is our vanilla latte. So some of the things you'll need today is coffee, some sugar, some liquid coconut oil, and then some vanilla extract, as well as some cute little jars to put it in. Hey guys, now that you've gathered your ingredients, all you have to do is put your sugar in the bowl and then add your coffee, and then add your coconut oil, and then you'll just need to add your vanilla. And then once you've got all the ingredients in your bowl, you just stir it up until it's really well combined. Keep in mind, sugar scrubs are really awesome exfoliants. So these are, all you have to do to use these is take a little bit and put it on your skin and rub it in really well. And then once you feel like you've got a lot of the dry skin off, all you have to do is rinse it with some warm water, and then you'll have nice silky skin. These also make really great gifts, not just for yourself, but also for your loved ones. So with Mother's Day coming around the corner, this would be a great gift to give her to show her how much you care. All you have to do is, once you have it all nice and made, just put it into a pretty jar or any other pretty container you happen to have at your house, and there you go, you have a Mother's Day gift. If you've had a lot of fun making this sugar scrub, we are actually going to we have posted 2 other recipes on our Facebook page. We'll have one that kind of talks about, or kind of focuses more on a calming aspect instead of just coffee, coffee, coffee. And then we'll have another that is honey vanilla. So you guys should go and check those out. All right, and then once you're done stirring, there you go. That's what it looks like. Thanks.